Hi friends, in this session we'll start with some important compounds of carbon and silicon. So on continuation of chapter number 11 p block element, in previous session we'll start with this group number 14, that is carbon family and silicon family. So in carbon family we start with this physical property, chemical properties, allotropies, and most important part, that is anomalous behavior of carbon, and last is all about the uses of carbon. So in today's session we'll start with some important components of carbon and silicons. So first of all we'll discuss about some important compounds of carbon. In that we have to discuss two parts, that is first is carbon monoxide and second carbon dioxide. Now you all are aware what actually means by carbon monoxide. Incomplete combustion of coal, that is entitled and give you the carbon monoxide. So let's take example. Direct oxidation of carbon in limited supply of oxygen or air yields to carbon monoxide, that is 2C plus O2. When you hit this component means in combustion you get CO, incomplete combustion of CO. Second most important, that is HCOOH at 373 Kelvin means 100 degrees Celsius. So simple water molecules release from this, you get H2O release and CO you get in the presence of H2SO4. Here in case H2SO4 behaves as a dehydrating material. Dehydrating material का मतलब यहाँ से water molecule release करने के लिए H2SO4 काम में आएगा. So HNO2, H2O is released basically and you get CO. So on small scale, CO is prepared by dehydration of formic acid with concentrated H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin. Now bulk production अगर करना हो तो on commercial scale, it can be prepared by passage of steam over the hot coke, that is basically C plus H2O, approximately 473 to 1273 Kelvin temperature. What you get? You get CO plus H2. This is nothing but water gas. Chapter number 9, hydrogen के अंदर हमने ये discussion किया था. So on commercial scale, it is prepared by passage of steam over a hot coke. This mixture of CO and H2 this produced is known as water gas or syngas. Next and last, when air is used instead of steam, CO and N2 is produced. Once again, instead of air is used H2O. वाटर की जगह पे अगर स्टीम की जगह पे हम एयर यूज करेंगे तो इंस्टेड ऑफ CO and H2 की जगह पे क्या बनेगा? CO and N2. CO and H2 के कॉम्बिनेशन को बोलेंगे वाटर गैस, CO and N2 के कॉम्बिनेशन को बोलेंगे प्रोड्यूसर गैस. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन मार्कर क्वेश्चन. What actually means by producer gas? Give its preparation. What actually means by water gas? Give its preparation. So CO and H2 जब बनेगा उसको बोलेंगे water gas and CO and N2 जब बनेगा उसको बोलेंगे producer gas. Once again, when air is used instead of steam, the mixture of CO and N2 is produced, which is called producer gas. 2C plus O2 plus 4N2 to 1273 Kelvin temperature, you get 2CO plus 4N2, that is entitled as producer gas. So water gas and producer gas are really very important industrial fuels. Carbon monoxide in water gas or producer gas undergoes further combustion and forming carbon dioxide and liberate amount of heat. Next, अब केमिकल एप्लीकेशन कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड बेसिकली यूज कहाँ पे होता है? तो मेटलर्जी के अंदर ये हाईएस्ट यूज होता है कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. सो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज कलरलेस, ऑर्डरलेस एंड ऑलमोस्ट वाटर इनसॉल्युबल गैस. It is a powerful reducing agent, reduce almost all metal oxides other than those of this alkali and alkaline earth metals, aluminium and few transition metals. देखिए Fe2O3 means फेरिक ऑक्साइड का अगर आप ओर ले लोगे उसको रिएक्ट करवाओगे CO के साथ तो this behaves as a reducing reagent, you get purest form of Fe and 3CO2 is released. So in metallurgical process, carbon monoxide is used as a powerful reducing reagent. दूसरा देख लीजिए ZNO, transition element. ZNO, when you reduce in the presence of CO, you get Zn plus CO2. So this is iron ore oxide के फॉर्म में, this is Zn ore oxide के फॉर्म में. जब भी CO के साथ ट्रीटमेंट करवाओगे, you get purest form of Fe over here and you get purest form of Zn over here. So This property of CO is used in extraction of many metal from their oxide ore, जो हमने discussion किया. In CO molecule, there are 1 sigma and 2 pi bond between the carbon and oxygen. Basically C triple bond O is there. आप सभी को chapter 4 chemical bonding अच्छे से करवाया हुआ है, तो that is center is your sigma, above and below there is a pi bond. So C triple bond O के अंदर center part क्या होगा? Sigma bond. Above and below there is a pi bond. Because of the presence of the lone pair on carbon, CO molecule act as a donor and react within the certain metals when hit with this metal carbonyl. That constituent are n-title as metal carbonyl. CO at high temperature hit with this metal, and that is known as metal carbonyl. Most important one marker question. The highly poisonous nature of CO arises because of its ability to make a complex with hemoglobin. Basically hemoglobin बॉडी के अंदर ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई करने के लिए काम में आता है और वो कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाता है ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन. इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, इफ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एक्सेस अमाउंट में बॉडी के अंदर चला गया, व्हाई कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज पॉइजनस इन नेचर? तो दिस इज द रीजन. One marker, most important question, CO is really very poisonous in nature. Why? तो यहाँ पे आपको जस्टिफिकेशन देना है कि हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ CO कॉम्प्लेक्स बना देता है, एंड दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स इज 300 times more stable than ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. वंस अगेन फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. द हाईली पॉइजनस नेचर ऑफ CO arises because of its ability to form a complex with hemoglobin, which is about 300 times more stable than the oxygen hemoglobin complex. This prevents hemoglobin in a red blood capsule from carrying oxygen round to this body, ultimate resulting the death. Initially choking के बाद होगा, you may go to this coma, and coma के बाद you may die also. That much poisonous complexes takes place in our body. So CO makes a complex with hemoglobin, and which is 300 times more stable than oxyhemoglobin complexes. So this is all about your carbon monoxide. ऐसे ही हमें डिस्कशन करना है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के बारे में. So let's start carbon dioxide. So after completion of carbon monoxide, let's focus on carbon dioxide. How can we prepare carbon dioxide? Simple. C plus complete oxidation, or in the presence of full oxygen you get CO2. It is prepared by the complete combustion of carbon and carbon containing fuels in excess amount of air. C plus O2 you get CO2. Another, all the gases, हमारे घर पे जो गैस आता है LPG हो या CNG हो या PNG हो, सभी के अंदर एक बेसिक कंस्टिट्यूएंट होता है मीथेन, ब्यूटेन, प्रोपेन. Basically all alkane in the presence of O2 you get CO2 plus H2O. So in laboratory it is conveniently prepared by the action of dilute HCl on calcium carbonate. So CaCO3 when treated with 2 mole of HCl, simple hydrolysis कर लीजिए, CaCO3 HCl, you get CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. So basically CaCO3 when treated with HCl, CaCl2 is precipitated out, you get CO2 plus H2O. On commercial scale, it is obtained by heating limestone. Now it is colorless, odorless gas. Its low solubility in water makes immense biochemical and geochemical importance. With water, it forms carbonic acid, that is nothing but H2CO3, which is a weak dibasic acid and dissociates into 2 steps. Basically H2O plus CO2 you get H2CO3. So how can we get H2CO3 when dissociate in water? You get HCO3 minus H3O plus. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, अभी भी HCO3 में एक प्रोटॉन है तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप उसका भी हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा, तो नेक्स्ट HCO3 माइनस प्लस H2O, यू गेट CO3 minus 2 plus H3O plus. So basically it's a dibasic. Dibasic का मतलब the species can release 2H plus and this 2H plus can neutralize to OH minus. That's why it is dibasic acid. So first step H2CO3 आयनाइजेशन होगा, एक H plus निकलेगा, you get HCO3 minus plus H3O plus. Second step HCO3 minus plus H2O gives CO3 minus 2 plus H3O plus. This is a very well known buffer in our body. H2CO3 slash HCO3 minus is a buffer system, helps the maintain the blood pH is 7.26 to 7.42, जो न्यूट्रल pH मेंटेन करने के लिए बॉडी के अंदर यूज होता है. Being acidic in nature, it combines with the alkali to form metal carbonate. Carbon dioxide, which is normally present into the extent of 0.03% by volume in atmosphere, is removed by this process is known as photosynthesis. I think 8th standard chemistry में आपको पढ़ाया गया था photosynthesis. Fine, 6CO2 plus H2O in the presence of chlorophyll. Fine, plant makes a food, that is say 6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus H2O. इसीलिए सब लोग आपको बचपन से पढ़ाते आ रहे, जितना प्लांट ग्रो ज़्यादा करोगे एटमॉस्फेयर में से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम होता जाएगा एंड ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होता जाएगा. सो प्लांटेशन का इम्पोर्टेंस आपको बचपन से इसीलिए पढ़ाया जाता है कि मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लांट्स खींच लेगा और ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करेगा. सो ओके, इट इज प्रोसेस्ड बाय which green plants convert into the atmospheric CO2 into this carbohydrates, that is nothing but the food such as glucose, and the overall chemical reaction can be expressed as photochemical reaction. So this is all about your photosynthesis. So by this process, plant make food for themselves as well as for this animal and human being. Unlike CO, that is carbon monoxide, it is not poisonous. But the increase in a combustion of fossil fuels and decomposition of limestone for a cement manufacturing recent years seems to increase the CO2 content in the atmosphere. This may lead to increase the greenhouse effect and thus raise the temperature in atmosphere, which might have a serious consequences. आप सभी को पता है डे बाय डे CO2 इंक्रीज हो रहा है, NOx, SOx, ये सारे गैस ट्रेमेंडस अमाउंट में रिलीज हो रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एज वेल एज बहुत सारे रेफ्रिजरेंट की वजह से बहुत सारे फ्रीऑन्स भी निकलते जा रहे हैं और मैनी मोर स्टफ दैट कॉजेज अ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग और ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. नेक्स्ट, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैन बी ऑब्टेन एज अ सॉलिड in the form of dry ice, allowing the liquefied CO2 to expand rapidly. Dry ice basically cryogenic temperature पे ले जाने के लिए यूज होता है. क्रायोजेनिक के लिए तो लिक्विड अमोनिया ही जनरली यूज होगा, बट इनिशियली -10 -15 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर अगर ले जाना हो तो सॉलिड CO2 is widely used, that is called dry ice. Dry ice is used as a refrigerant for the ice cream and frozen foods. Gaseous CO2 is extensively used as a carbonate soft drinks. रोड साइड पे बहुत सारे सोडा सॉप अवेलेबल होगा, that is nothing but aerated drinks. आप कोई भी aerated drinks लेके आइए, initially when you open the cap, fizzes came out. Just this is nothing but undissolved carbon dioxide. That is carbonate soft drinks. Being a heavy and a non-supporter of this combustion, it is used as a fire extinguishers also. Fire extinguishers का एक part carbon dioxide होता है. Substantial amount of CO2 is used for manufacturing of urea. In CO2 molecule, carbon atom undergoes sp hybridization. अब सभी को पता है C सिंगल बॉन्ड से होगा तो sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज, डबल बॉन्ड से होगा तो sp2 और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड पे होगा तो sp hybridization. 2 sp hybridized orbital of carbon atom overlap with 2p orbital of this oxygen atom to make 2 sigma bonds, while the other electrons of this carbon atom involve p pi bond, that is C triple bond O, that is carbon monoxide. But CO2 के अंदर क्या होगा, center C double bond O double bond O, but here in case we have lone pairs of electron, so they have always tendency to pull the electron. तो ये ऑक्सीजन शायद ये डबल बॉन्ड को यहाँ पे खींच ले, तो देयर इज अ नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज ओवर हियर. अब ये उल्टा भी हो सकता है, ये डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ से यहाँ चला जाए, यहाँ से यहाँ, तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज. सो दिस इज all about your resonating structures. This is entitled as resonance structure of CO2. that we already discussed in chapter number 4, chemical bonding. So this results in a linear shape, that is C single bond O with equal bond length of 115 picometer with no dipole moment. Why no dipole moment? Carbon is partially positive, oxygen is partially negative, तो ये बॉन्ड इस तरफ खींचेगा, दूसरा ये बॉन्ड इस तरफ खींचेगा, नेट रिजल्टेंट डायपोल becomes 0. So that's why here in case no dipole moment takes place in CO2 atom. So this is all about your carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So यहाँ पे कार्बन फैमिली का कार्बन पार्ट एंड हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट सेशन हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं सिलिकॉन, सेकेंड फैमिली मेंबर ऑफ ग्रुप 14, दैट इज सिलिकॉन के बारे में डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर टुडेज सेशन. थैंक यू.